Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel My Digital Brand. In the previous session, we discussed about the discovery phase of the business, whereas it involves creating a business idea, branding your business, defining the operational model of the business, and enhancing the online visibility of the business. Today we are going to discuss about the refinement phase of the business. If anyone want to have a look on the previous session, I have shared the link in the description page. Let's discuss in detail about the refinement phase. Even though you have created the visibility through online social media campaigns, it's important to have a professional website because customers' first and final destination will be your website to interact with you and share their secure data. Let's take a real time example. You are publishing an ad through a social media campaign. Customer visits the ad, clicks the link, and he wants to share the data. Instead of sharing the data in the public forum of the social media, you can redirect the link to your official website and collect the data securely. This will create a trust for your customers. The initial step of creating online visibility is through social media campaigns. But if you want to drive business professionally and build trust among your customers, I would recommend you to create a professional website. There are a lot of open source tools like WooCommerce, Magento, and Shopify are available to create stunning website without a coding knowledge. I will post a separate topic on how to create websites using these open source tools. Search engine optimization. Before knowing about search engine optimization, it's good to have understanding on search engine and how it works. A search engine is a special tool or website that helps you to find the information on internet. A typical example is Google. Let's take an example how search engine works. A user wants to know about digital marketing. He enters a query, what is digital marketing in Google. Google lists the number of websites which has relevant content related to digital marketing. With the listed number of websites, user selects the website according to his wish and browse the data related to digital marketing. This is how search engine works. Now we are clear that search engine provides information to the users in internet. Similarly, if you want to promote your website content to the users, it's mandatory to make sure your website is understandable by search engines. It means that you need to hand over the data of your website in a meaningful manner to search engines. So the process of structuring your website so that it is easily understandable by search engines is known as search engine optimizations. In search engine optimization, there are two types of techniques used to optimize these search engines. Search engine optimization can be done through on-page search engine optimization and off-page search engine optimization. To know more about these techniques, we need to understand how search engine optimization works. As it is a vast topic, I have decided to put a separate video on search engine optimization. Please follow my channel to find more about search engine optimization techniques. Your search engine optimization doesn't end when you apply on-page and off-page techniques of SEO. It's a continuous process. If you want to increase the rankings and traffic of your website, you need to continuously post high-quality articles and blogs in your website as well as in public forum. So whenever your website has a reliable source of information, it naturally attracts the search engines, which will result in increased rankings and traffic to your website. But please note, the rankings are not permanent. The website rankings are impacted frequently due to two factors. The first factor is the competitor's quality of the website. If your competitor has high quality SEO standards and high quality articles written in his forum, it will automatically increase the rankings ahead of your website. And the second factor is the search engine algorithms. Major search engine like Google releases new algorithms on frequent basis. So based on new algorithm, they will scan the website and update the rankings of the website. If you want to maintain high rankings for your website, I would suggest you to update the articles according to your competitor's quality as well as based on search engine algorithms. Step number 8. Monitor and improve. Applying on-page and off-page optimization techniques doesn't guarantee immediate results in search engines. It takes time. It's an investment for future. Unlike paid ads, it shows up the results immediately. At the same time, it stops showing when you stop paying. In simple words, it's like maintaining a garden. If you maintain the garden with consistent care on long-term basis, you can reap the rewards. This applies to SEO also. If you want to maintain the website traffic and rankings, you need to consistently monitor and improve the website SEO standards. Once you start implementing the SEO techniques on an iterative basis, you can realize the positive results of the business. This completes the refinement phase of the business. I hope I have given a basic idea on how to improve the business using digital marketing. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to get notified about the new videos and updates from my channel. Thanks everyone for watching the video.